to FitPro's easyfix. In today's easyfix, we are going to see how to chop onions without any tears. Chopping an onion is a hassle in everyone's kitchen, but onions are the most used vegetable in our everyday cooking. I will be sharing the tips and tricks that I follow in my kitchen so that I don't tear during chopping onions. Have you ever wondered why do we cry every time we chop an onion? I will just share the history and mystery behind it very quickly. There is a little bit of chemistry behind these onions. We all know onions are grown underground. It turns out that these onions are particularly good at absorbing sulfur, and which they use in a number of amino acids. When we cut an onion, we break cell after cell, releasing their liquidy contents. Previously separated enzymes meet the sulfur-rich amino acids and they form unstable sulfonic acid, which is chemically known as the propantheol S oxide. This propantheol S oxide is an irritant gas. It's very irritant. You may think, why does an onion need an irritant gas? This sneaky enzyme is very volatile, which means it quickly evaporates and causes burning sensation and acts as a defense mechanism so that the onion can be protected. But a human body is very clever than the onion. As soon as the acid is spewed in the air, the nerves in each eye detects the lacrimatory agent, that's the propantheol S oxide. It generates tears and flushes it out, and that's the reason we cry every time the onion is being chopped. Let's get back to our easyfix. My easyfix number 1 will be using a sharp knife. While using a sharp knife, the amount of damage to the onion and the onion cells are reduced, so always use a sharp knife every time while cutting an onion. Let's see the fix number 2. This is a two-step process. Number 1 is cut the onion into halves, and step 2 is immediately place the onion under running water, or you can have a bowl of water next to you before you cut the onion so that you can immediately place the cut onion inside the bowl of water so that the enzymes doesn't spread in the air and make our eyes runny, so that we can reduce the amount of tears. My third easy fix will be either cooling or freezing the onion. You can cool the onion for almost like 30 minutes before you start chopping. The reason why we cool the onion is it suppresses the acid which is present in the onion so that our eyes don't get irritated. My last and favorite trick is to light a candle. The flame will help to burn off the sulfur compounds which is released by the onion. If you don't have a candle handy, you can chop it near a gas stove. The flame also suppresses the sulfur compound, so no more tears while chopping onions. But be careful while chopping next to the gas stove because it is highly not recommended. Choose only when you don't have a candle. These are the tricks that I use in my kitchen. Do try these and let me know how well they worked for you. I hope you all loved these fixes. I'll see you all soon in another video. Until then, bye from Archana. Take care.